Kairi!
Sora...
What's happening to me? Falling into darkness.
Sora? Are you really? No, he can't be. I won't let him go!
I couldn't find my way. As I stumbled through the dark, I started forgetting things. My friends, who I was. The darkness almost swallowed me. But then, I heard a voice.
This time, I'll protect you. Sora!
Kairi!
Kairi, thank you.
Sora!
Sora!
So, you have awakened at last, Princess. The keyhole is now complete. You have served your purpose, but now it's over.
Do you think we can stop him all by ourselves? I don't know.
Impossible.
No! You won't use me for this!
Riku!
Come with us!
You've gotta run! The Heartless are coming!
Alright. Let's get out of here.